All right, what's going on? So just walking through a property. This is something that this is going to be a 3-unit apartment building. It's in a nice area. It's a twin, which I enjoy. I really enjoy twins. It's a lot to the side of it, and then it's one property attached on this side, and that's about it, which I think is cool. So we in the front porch area. This is the front door, front porch area. As you can see, we got daylight. So you know, this is just something where we just got to reframe the whole front porch. And then we got, it's just open. It's open, it's open, it's open. So we got one door here and then another door there. Let's go in over here first and take it from there. So from here we got, I guess this is apartment unit 1. Got a coat closet. You know, so when I'm doing my walkthroughs, you know, I'm really looking for structural issues. You know what I mean? Issues that seem, things that seem worse than they need to be. And so far so good. We got a bedroom here. Checking the floors, making sure we're good. This is remnants of old knob and tube wiring, so we already know that all that has to go. Looks like we already got a meter for us. 100 amp meter box, so we're going to want to make sure that the seller keeps that. Closet size isn't bad. Closet size isn't bad. Closet size isn't bad. That's a good thing. So, okay, so this is interesting because this is newer electric. You have a newer box here. So it looks like they were trying to do stuff. Over here we got the bathroom, or what was supposed to be the bathroom. And this is the mistake a lot of investors do. I mean, this type of backward stuff is not good. You don't run new electric when you still got issues like this. This should get done first. You should get the property framed out first. What you could do is your electrician could come and hit you with the source, hit you with a source, maybe give you an outlet on each floor so you have temporary power. So your people don't have to run generators and things like that. But you know, for this ain't what it's at. This ain't where this isn't cool. And back here, this is the kitchen area. Yep. Typically, you're always gonna run a kitchen off the bathroom just because all your plumbing is gonna be in one spot, and then they have the door going out. Exposed brick, not looking too bad. I'm gonna tiptoe a little bit closer. This ain't looking too bad. I do see some sagging over here. I don't know if you can see it, but right here, you have the joist that seems to be rotting out of place, right? So you got some joist work that we got a bunch of joist work, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 joists that I know we already got to replace. You know, here the brick isn't too bad on this. The brickwork isn't here too bad. This lymph node, that's what this is right here. That look like it's seen better days. But you know, we can shore this up, make it nice. Ain't nothing wrong with this. Let me see if we can get outside real quick, see what's going on out back. And you got a nice backyard, Joe. I don't know if I can see it. But you do have a nice backyard. There's a mattress over there. This tree has to go, but I mean, the fact that you have a backyard is a good thing. This brickwork is looking a little shoddy. Alright, so one of the things that I always try to do is that we always want to change the layout, because what you want to do when you first walk into a property, you want to get hit with the living room and the kitchen area. So that's what we're going to do. And then after you got the kitchen area, you got the bathroom, and then after the bathroom, then you're going to have the bedrooms. The bedrooms should be in the back. So for me, what I'm going to do with this layout is this is all going to get knocked out and opened up. So when you walk in, you're going to have living space, then you're going to have a kitchen area. kitchen area is going to go to the bathroom, and then from there you're going to start the bedrooms. So this layout is going to get changed out because it's obsolete. But nonetheless, we got a really good first floor. First floor isn't too bad. We got a really good first floor. All right, so let me see if we can step over. I did not find a door to go to the basement, but that's okay. So this is going to be the second floor unit. Typically what happens is this is all attached as one unit. So, yep. All right, so I'm not understanding how this works. Ooh-wee. All right, so this is the bathroom. And, of course, I'm not walking over there. This is the bathroom. And we're probably going to end up changing the layout of this, all of this as well. This is where they had the kitchen, I'm guessing. This is where they had the kitchen, and I could tell because of the flooring. Right, so they had the kitchen here, and again, we just got to change that up. Change all that up. It's so nasty to me. And then we have a nice bright bedroom in the front. So, yeah, this layout is always tough because what you have to do for this is you got to make this your living room area. And then I think it's just, I don't know. This is a little tough for me. Because if I'm trying to make this the living room area, then that would mean that this got to be the kitchen area. It's a little tough. I can't figure it out. And I've come across this before. I've never had the privilege of actually getting a property that's had this layout and being able to work with it. And then this is narrow, so if I do any changes to it, I'm gonna have to make it bigger, by city code. This isn't a 36 clearance. This ain't good. This is good, but this isn't. Like the hallway's too narrow. We're going upstairs to the last and final apartment because that's going to be a pain to try and bring furniture through, Ooh, we got some shoddy flooring over here. This is cool. So you see how it's sloping down? So we got some structural issues over here. You see how it's sloping down? So we're going to have to knock this wall out and then rebuild it. It's a lot of it's sloping down right here. It's been open for like this for years. Got brickwork, got issues everywhere. So this is pretty straight. This one's actually going to be tough too. This is going to be, actually I don't even know. We got a bedroom back here, which I really like, and I don't want to touch this. And then I think we got a living room, and we could do a small kitchen and then do a bathroom. And it sucks because I want to be able to go through that door. I want to have access to that deck. Uh-oh, I think they got fleas in here. Yep. Oh boy. But this is a tough one. You know what I mean? And honestly, I think the only way that I'm gonna be able to make this work out is if we turn it into a studio. I think a studio, that'd be the only way to really make this space work out. Because then we're not worried about the space, this wall, the space of this bedroom. Because I don't know that this is going to be big enough to give you, I don't think the space we have right now is going to be big enough to give you a kitchen and a bathroom and a living room. So, yeah, I'm a little pressed to see, to make sure that that's the case. I'm very pressed to understand. I'm very pressed to kind of figure that out. I don't see that happening. Another option, which I just thought about, that's making me excited, is that this gets bumped out. Right? This wall has to go down because it's already caving in. If we knock this down and then extend it the length of the building, then that gives you the space to do your kitchen, to do your bathroom, and so that this space can remain by itself, the living space, and then you got the bedroom over there. That is the best idea that I could think of, and I know exactly who will be able to do that for me. So, with that being said, I'm going to get on out of here. But yeah, so all I'm thinking is on this one, we got a 1-bedroom on the first floor. Got a 1-bedroom on the first floor. And who knows, maybe we could do a 2-bedroom. Maybe we could do a 2-bedroom depending on how much square feet we get by running this all the way down. That's going to be the deciding factor. How much square feet do we get when we run this all the way down? Yeah. But anyway, so we got a 2-bedroom on the first floor. I believe a 2-bedroom on the second floor. No. That one, yeah, 2-bedroom on the second floor, which is gonna be tough, right? 2-bedroom on the second floor, and then a 1-bedroom on the 1-bedroom up top up here. The most expensive thing about this one is because it's a 3-unit, they're gonna want to see a sprinkler system. So the price on something like this is going up significantly. The rehab on this is going to be at least $125. At least $125. So, but if you buy it right, you buy it at $125, let's say $135, you buy something like this for like $60, $70 on $135, a newly renovated triplex, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and then you got the possibility of a minimum, at least a 1-bedroom on the top floor. That's gonna hold its value. Something like that in this area has been selling for closer to $250, $275, right? So if you're able to get that all in at $205, $210, you're locking in a minimum of $40,000 in equity, and you're gonna cash flow pretty nicely on something like that. I don't see why you shouldn't be able to make at least $1,000 on something like this, right? And the way that I would see the numbers is you get $900, you get $1,000 for the first floor, $1,000 for the second floor, and then on something like this, if you end up doing it as a 1-bedroom, leaving it as a 1-bedroom, then you should be able to get $800 on this one. So $1,800 should be able to cover all of your overheads. All of your overheads, saving for repairs, CapEx, $1,800 should cover for everything. That should leave you the net of the $1,000. Only times you're going to see some issues is if the units are not, if you're not 100% rented, right? But outside of that, I think that this is something that's going to cash flow and provide you with equity. And that's what we look for. Everything else, we don't touch anything else unless it gives you those two things. Yeah, but let me get on out of here, man. I feel the fleas. I caught one flea hit me. I think I showed it early on the camera. And I just want to get out of here before a couple more try to make me their breakfast. All right? Again, my name is Ugo Opara, PA licensed real estate agent and investor. And I just wanted to walk through and show you guys something that I'm considering purchasing because the guy was telling me I had to put the offer in before 9 o'clock today, which was bugging because I've been chasing him for like the past 3 days to get in here. But whatever. We in here, and we about to head out. Thank you for watching.